Don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. Elon Musk. I am Hamza Ali, a student of Sakhar IBA University, studying in BBA 4. This is my final project of MIS. Basically, we were given a project to find the solution of a problem keeping in view management information system. So I have found the problem that while using Netflix, Pakistani people are having two problems. The first one is that it is too much costly to watch movies, series, serials, documentaries, and many other things on Netflix. The other thing that Pakistanis are having a problem with it is they are having inappropriate content. Recently, Netflix streamed a series named Cuties, which was normalizing children's sexuality. As a result, it faced a backlash. Many of the Pakistani subscribers were unsubscribing them. But don't worry, Pakistani peoples, you don't have to worry. We have found the solution for you. We have brought your own Park Flicks, where you will be having the content which will fit your norms and cultures, your social values, your religious beliefs. The second problem that Pakistanis are having is that Netflix is too much costly. So at Parkflix, we will be providing different packages which will be lowest in cost in the streaming market in Pakistan. What is in it? So we have brought ad-free movies. The movies will be having Bollywood, Hollywood, Lollywood, but these will always be streamed which are aligned with our customs, with our values, and with our religious beliefs. All the movies which are not aligned with our beliefs and our social and cultural norms will never be streamed on Parkflix. Similarly, the series and dramas, family shows, podcasts, documentaries, and many other content will be available on Parkflix. But the thing that will be always kept in our eyes is that it will never ever hurt the feelings and norms and cultural values of Pakistani people. For the customers, we are providing various value proposition. Firstly, we will be giving a freemium. The concept is that 30 days customers can enjoy streaming on Parkflix without any sort of charges. Once they have streamed 30 days, then they have the chance either to buy different packages of Parkflix and enjoy watching the content, or they can also cancel it if they are not satisfied with it. Various contents will always be available in content library. The thing that we have brought new in it is that there will be no any ad. As while watching movies and streaming content, when any sort of ad pops up, the viewer gets hesitated and disturbed. So there will never be any ad. Streaming will always be available 24/7. The thing that we have brought using management information system are two. The first one is personalization. The customers will be having the experience based on their personality. They can personalize it, and the backed system by MIS will also be helping them to personalize the view. Similarly, the other thing that we have brought is CRM, which is called Customer Relationship Management, in which the MIS will always be working behind it to facilitate the customer to stream the best content which is aligned with his or her search history, watch history, and streaming history. Coming toward the revenue streams, how we will be generating revenue. So we have set two streams. The first one is subscription, in which we will be offering four different packages. The first one will be basic, in which 30 days subscription will be given. The second one will be for 45 days, third one for 90 days, and the final one will be for 6 months. The other details of all these packages are given in our business plan. So if you want to find the other details of these packages, these are given in it. The second stream that we have set is that we will be providing Parkflix copyrights to broadcasting channels. It will also be having some limitations, like they can stream it for 6 months to 2 years, and they will have to pay the charges for it. So that was all about the plan. How this will be implemented. Firstly, we will be hiring tech geeks and the guys who are having the knowledge of technology and management information system and all the requirement technologies. Then we will be having partnerships with media producers and all the people who are concerned with our program, our platform. The second stage will be for the content. We will be producing content with different studios, different producers, and many other people. Once the content is ready, we will be publishing our advertisements in print media, in social media, and in all sorts of media. Then it will be published on our website. But here we have one thing that firstly it will be available on our website. Once the website is ready, then we will work on mobile app and it will also be made available for our customers. And finally the contents are ready and members can watch it. This is the website look that we have made by using HTML. Pakflix, Pakistani Entertainment for All. Coming toward the cost structure. So we have divided cost structure in four major chunks, and the major chunks are further divided into minor chunks, which can be read in the business plan, which will also be sent. So we have set 52% of 16.5 million US dollars for the initial cost and startup of the our platform, 18% for research and development to compete in the market and know the changing trends in the market, 16% of $16.5 million for the day-to-day operations, and 14% for all kinds of marketing. Thanks, this is all.